Hey everybody, Brandon here at Midnight Customs. How's it doing? I want to talk to you a minute about the Captain welder and plasma cutter. This here is the MIG200 multi-process. It does flux core, MIG, spool gun, stick, and lift TIG. This is the Captain CUT50 plasma cutter, 50 amp plasma cutter on 220 volts. The nice thing about both of these machines is they're very price friendly. You're not going to break the bank on them. They both are 110 or 220, depending on what you got in your garage. They come set up for 110 and they have an adapter for 220. So I built this cart that they're sitting on using these two machines. If you're a hobbyist, a DIYer, you got a project at home, or you just want to get into welding and fabricating, I highly recommend these machines. I've got a discount code for you to save you 5%. I'll put it in the description. Use that code and save yourself some money and get to welding and enjoying a good time. Very highly recommend these machines. Check them out. Thank you.